What's up everyone and welcome to Double Down Sunday. It's been a while since our last Minecraft tutorial, so today we're going to be drawing the Iron Golem. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw a large rectangle for the nose. We're going to start at the very top and draw a straight line going across from left to right. And then from the sides we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the nose. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the nose and draw in the eyes. Let's start from the top left corner and draw a straight line going out towards the left. And draw that same length line on the right side. And then from here we go straight up along the side of the eyes. Going up. We want to make sure that we line these up along the top. And then we'll connect the left and right side with a straight line. Let's go back to the top corners of the nose and draw a straight line going up towards the top. And then we'll add a small square on the outside of the eyes for the pupil. Let's start from the left corner, we're going to step up. Draw a straight line coming in. I'm just going to line this up on the right side. And then from the inside we'll come straight down towards the bottom of the eyes. Let's fill that inside area in black. Now we're going to add a dark eye bag underneath each eye. So we're going to extend this line on the outside, coming down. Same thing on the right. And we'll pull that straight in behind the side of the nose. Now the nose overlaps the bottom edge of the head. So let's start from the left corner, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going out. We're going to extend this past the side of the eye, go to the right side, and do the same thing. And then from the outside, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head. Stop right about there, and do the same thing on the right. All the way up, and bring that up towards the same height. And now we're going to close off the top of the head. Start back on the left, go all the way across towards the right. Let's move back down and add that thick eyebrow. We're going to start from the top corner of the eye. We're going to extend this line going out toward the side. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw the top of the brow, going all the way across. Now with our head in place, we're going to tuck the upper torso in behind. From the bottom corner of the head, we're going to step up and draw a straight line going out. Line this up on the right side. Do the same thing. Now we're going to come down the side of the upper torso. Straight down to right about there. I'm just going to line this up with the right side. And then we'll close off the bottom. Now I'm going to move back to the center and tuck the lower torso in behind. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to step down, draw a straight line going across towards the right, and then from the ends we'll draw a straight line coming down. Let's close off the bottom. Now we're going to play around with a bit of perspective. We want to show the lower face of the upper torso. So from the bottom corner of the body, we'll draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Do the same thing on the right side. I'm just going to pull that in behind the lower torso. And then the legs are going to sit behind the lower torso. From that bottom corner, we'll step up, draw a short line going out, line this up on the right side, and it'll come all the way down towards the bottom of the legs. Straight down, just stop right about there, do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to move in and draw the inside edge of the legs. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side. Draw another straight line coming down. I'm just going to line this up with the outside line. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. And we'll close off the bottom of the legs. And now we're going to add some perspective to the legs. From the top corner, I'm going to angle up and in with a short line. And it'll come straight in behind the lower torso. Let's move to the inside corner of the legs. Angle up and in with a short line. I'm just going to pull this all the way up with a straight line underneath the lower torso. I'm also going to separate out the bottom of the feet. From the bottom corner, we'll step up. A straight line going across on both sides. And then from the inside, I'm going to follow that same angle line going toward the back of the legs. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the arms. From the top corner of the body, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going out. Let's line this up on the right side. And we'll pull the arms coming all the way down towards the bottom. Bring that down to right about there. You just want to line this up with the right side. And it'll move back up towards the upper torso. We're going to step in, draw another straight line coming down. Again, we're just going to match this up with the outside line. And we'll close off the bottom of the arms. Let's draw the inside edge of the arms. From the inside corner, angle up and in. And then we'll pull that straight up underneath the body. And now we're going to go back and add those vines on the left side of the body and the top right shoulder. Let's start with the florets. Starting from the top, start with a small circle. And we'll surround that circle with 4 half circles. Going up and then back in, along the bottom, and then the sides. Let's add another one along the bottom corner. Start with that center circle, and we surround this with 4 half circles. Let's add 2 more on the left leg, starting from the top. And then 1 along the bottom on the inside. And we'll move all the way up towards the right shoulder and add 1 more. And now we're going to extend those thick vines coming out from behind those florets. Let's start from the left side. Just going to curve out, in, and then up towards the top of the body. And then we'll thicken this up. Stepping in, just tracing that all the way up towards the top. Now from the bottom, we're just going to curve this down and out. Let's add some vines from the top, going up underneath the head. Then from the bottom, we're just going to end this about halfway down the body. And just taper that back up and in. Let's add a couple more vines. Let's connect the florets, starting from the inside. Come down and across. And then from here, we're just going to curve in and then down towards the bottom of the body. Now I'm going to continue this vine coming in towards the lower torso. Let's start with the outside, curving in, going in and then back out, and we'll just thicken that up. And then we'll connect this vine to the florets. We'll just pull this out toward the side of the leg. Let's add a few more vines along the outside. Going out toward the side of the leg. And pull that back in. And we'll add 1 more along the bottom. Coming in And then just taper that back up. And then we'll add the vines on the right shoulder. Coming up towards the top. Coming around the side. Let's add one more going up to the top corner. Up. And there we have it. There's the Iron Golem from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.